Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a GIF to your Gmail account. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to make your emails more fun, dynamic, and eye-catching. First, let's get our GIF. We'll use Giphy, a website full of ready-made GIFs. Open your web browser and go to giphy.com. Browse through categories or use the search bar to find the perfect GIF for your email. Once you find one you like, click on it to open the GIF page. Next, look for the option labeled Copy Link or GIF Link. This is the URL you'll use to insert the GIF directly into your email. Now, open Gmail and click the Compose button to start a new email. In the email draft, place your cursor where you want the GIF to appear. Then, click on the small insert photo icon at the bottom of the window. In the pop-up, choose the option to insert via URL or web address. Paste the GIF link from Giphy into the field and click Insert. Your GIF will appear in the body of the email and loop automatically, giving your message a lively animated touch. Finish composing your email, add your recipients, and hit Send. The GIF will be visible to your recipient exactly as you intended, making your email more engaging and visually appealing. And that's it. Adding GIFs to Gmail is quick, simple, and doesn't require any extra software. Try out different GIFs to match your message and make your emails stand out. Thanks for watching and happy emailing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tips and guides.